Nethini wa bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi miaraho ya umuthi na kuria kumirire mung'ethaniro munene gatagati ga ikundi igiri cia MCAs amwe ari ni aria mauma na itanya ria gutengemania ndereti ya kuhagura spika Beatrice Elachi kwa rita ria keri na angi ari ni aria mararegana na riciria riu mung'ethaniro uyu ugicungiriria gutharara kwa mihang'o bunge-ini ino na njira nene. Gicanjama giki kiyumiririe ihinda inini thutha wa ikundi ici cieri kuheana mirugamo mirumu igie kuhagurwo gwa spika na kwaumira ngucanio riria gikundi kiria kiratongorio ni mutongoria wa aige Abdiguyo mekuheanaga ndumiriri yao.
Kumekuwa mpaka na threats to our members. Our member called Palapala was threatened na akaambiwa atauliwa na Guyo.
We are ready to pursue and ensure that Beatrice Elachi does not sit in the County Assembly of Nairobi as Speaker.
NDUGAMANO bunge-ini no ikoretwo ikiyumiria makiria igithiururukiria kuhagurwo gwa spika Elachi na kuria mwaka muthiru MCAs maiguanire na mugambo umwe na kumuhagura na gucungiriria macira igoti-ini na ciumia igiri hetũku Elachi ni acokirio giturwa-ini kiu thutha wa gwitikirio ni igoti no riu NDUGAMANO ni ihandite weru rita riri ikionekana kwirigicania na haro ya ungumania thiini wa bodi ya utungata wa muingi kaunti-ini ino.
They are pretending that the issue is about Elachi. It is not about Elachi. It is about the board. It is about the corruption that has been happening on the board, and they are fighting back because they know that what will be found out, including the clerk signing letters for people to leave the country in the pretense of being county executive members.
MCA wa guthukio Jundegwa akihithuria ati kweherio kwa Guyo bodi-ini ino nikuo kurehete urugari amu riu Elachi niwe muikariri giti wa bodi ino na akerikana ati ni akoretwo akirumanirira na kuhithuria uhotekeku wa ungumania thiini wa bodi ino undu uria Guyo na arumiriri ake mararegana naguo.
And even when the auditors come to try and do an audit for this, they block him. You know, they block the Auditor General. They falsify documents. So when Elachi came and became the speaker, automatically she becomes the chair of the board. And she wanted to just create systems, you know, that are straight. That is when the fight began.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.